If you've ever been someone who struggles to write emails, if you've ever been someone who struggles to market to your audience, then you definitely want to stay till the end of this video, because we have unlocked the code that you can use right now to make that even better. Stay tuned. Peace and love, y'all. What's going on? Stevie Zenith, Rich from Anywhere. And in today's video, we are going to unlock something super dope that I just found that's going to help you to market to your audience better and ultimately increase your sales.
It sounds like a get-rich-quick scheme.
Yes, thank you. You will get rich quick. We all will.
Now, what I've done a little bit of research because, we have a lot of students that struggle with writing emails. So I wanted to create this video as a little cheat code that you can use to better that, all right? So what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna spy on our competition, all right? So no matter what niche you're in, this video is for you because you can literally use this tool I'm about to tell you about. We've been getting a whole lot of viewers checking us out lately. So definitely click that subscribe button below. Click that like button, click that bell notification so you can stay in the know anytime we drop a new video. And the tool that we're gonna talk about today is Mailed.com, all right? So Mailed.com is a website that allows you to spy on other brands that are sending out email marketing campaigns on the daily. The Fashion Novas, the Gucci's, the bigger brands, they're on this website. And here's the thing, this website wasn't built for us, the e-commerce owner. This website was built for consumers to register on this particular platform and to see what new deals that they can find so they don't have to scour through all their emails to find these deals. But us as e-commerce owners, we can use this, we can register, and then we can spy on our competition and see what type of emails are being sent out. So jump in with me. I'm about to jump in and show you how to get started with this, all right? All right, y'all, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go to Mailed.com and I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. So we're in here right now, we're on Mailed.com, and once you register, all right, you're gonna get sent to this page right here. And this particular page is gonna ask you which particular brands do you wanna follow. Now, depending on your niche, it's gonna be a little bit different for each and every one of you that's watching this video. Let's say you're in the boutique niche. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna type in Fashion Nova, all right? And you would hit follow. Now, I'm already following it so that I can show you how this works. So now that you're following Fashion Nova, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna click on them right here, and then it's gonna show you all the emails that they're sending out on a daily basis. And you can see here, here's the date right here, July 10th at 11:18 a.m., July 9th at 11:18 a.m., July 8th at 10:20 a.m. So you can literally see all the different emails that they're sending out. And this is an amazing tool because now you can check it, you can check their emails out and you can see what it is that they're promoting. You know what I'm saying? So for instance, let's come over here. They had a 50% off sale, 50% off almost everything. Use code VACAY, all right? So then when you scroll down, you can see the style of email that they're sending out. You can see the types of products that they're promoting. All of this stuff is really, really dope and really, really key and essential to your brand, because what you can do is you can literally take what it is they're doing and add your own swag to it. They're doing a 50% off discount. You might want to incorporate that into your brand as well. So these are things that can definitely help you out. If I go ahead and go back to brands, let's say you're a sports athletic brand. So what we'll do here is we'll go to, let's just type in sports here and see what pops up. So you got a bunch of different sports brands. That's not necessarily what I'm looking for. Let's do Nike. So let's say your brand is similar to Nike. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and hit follow, and then we'll click on Nike, and then we can see all the emails that they're sending out and the discounts that they have going on. So if we scroll down here and we take a look, we can see, okay, when was the last time they did a discount? They did a discount on June 22nd, save up to 50% off everything. Continue to scroll down and you can essentially do research. They did one a month prior to that, up to 40% off. So you can see here how these brands are pushing out these discounts. All right, sometimes they're doing them for a whole week. Sometimes they do them once a month. So you can start to understand the pattern in which they're dropping discounts so that you can utilize that for your particular brand. All right, and I want you to really keep in mind and take a look at the style of email that they're writing here, right? Take a look at the email copy that they're using. Take a look at how the email is designed, because these bigger brands, you have the advantage with using this website because these bigger brands spend top dollar to get the best email marketers for their particular brand. They're spending a lot of money. So the style of email that they're using here, I want you to pay attention to that, because there's a reason they're doing it. It's because consumers respond to this type of email, okay? So I want you to take a look at this website. It's called Mail.com. We'll do one more before we get out of here. Let's do apparel. So if I click on apparel right here, so you got Nike, you got J. Crew. Let's do J. Crew. So I'm gonna hit follow for J. Crew. I'm gonna go ahead and click on them, and then we can see what it is that they're doing. Up to 30% off summer essentials. That one was sent July 11th, 2021, so early this morning. Up to 30% off summer essentials ends today. So if I click on this, we can see that they're offering, this is the last day for you to take advantage of their 30% off summer essentials deal. You see the style of email that they're using, and then when you scroll down here, it has their other services that they're providing to you. Follow us on Instagram. That's always really big, because you do want to be omnipresent out here. But these are amazing things that you can literally do, and now you have this right at your fingertips. Milled.com is the name of the website. And you can follow as many brands as you want on here. There's really no limit. So I honestly encourage each and every one of y'all to do this, because this can separate you from your competition. Email marketing, SMS marketing. These are things that we really want to focus on to better your brand, because like I said before, you can have the best ad strategy in the world, but if you don't have the back end set up, if you don't have the email and the SMS set up, then you're missing out on a lot of money. Because let's say you're running ads, and let's say you spend $100 on ads, right? And let's say maybe you get one sale out of it, but you've collected 30 emails. Now, because of the fact that you've collected 30 emails, you didn't waste your money. You just have to know what to do with those particular emails to get them to start buying from you. So the ads did their job, but now on the back end, you have to do your job and make sure you have these things in place in order to capitalize on the customers or the potential customers that you can get to elevate your brand. It can make up a large portion of your brand. So when you have your whole strategy intact, you are going to be in good shape. I just wanted to cut this video for each and every one of you that's watching. We will definitely see you in the next video. Peace and love.